Step 1. Pipe fixing and preparation. Place a machine horizontally, put in one pipe, mount corresponding clamps, secure and level the pipe. Preheat the heating plate to standard temperature. Step 2. Pipe facing. Hoist the planing tool, put in the other pipe. Close the carriage, trim pipe ends until they are smooth and chips are produced continuously and uniformly. Remove the planing tool and clean up chips. Step 3. Heating and fusion. Put the heated plate between the two pipes. Apply standard pressure and keep constant temperature to form uniform welding beads. Step 4. Jointing and cooling. Quickly remove the heating plate. Jointing pipes rapidly and keeping constant pressure until fully cooled. No pressure release or movement during cooling. Finally, you get a flat, firm and standard welding joint.